Breakfast. Grilled cheese. Garlic grilled cheese.
Ay, kung kulang ng...
And egg drop soup. Coffee. Breakfast time. Hi guys. Oh my goodness, my hair. What's wrong with my hair?
Naaabuban tayo ng yaman nila, Be. Abe.
Oo, inaambunan tayo.
Naambunan tayo.
Kaya nga diba dapat share your blessing.
We're on board. What's again?
Share your blessing. So, where do we go today, class?
We're
Tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, iyak ka na. Time to depart each other. So, flower garden today. We supposed to go yesterday, but we didn't make it. Hello, my love. Thank you for driving us everywhere. So you're not driving Miss Daisy today. You're driving the whole gang. So we are going to flower garden.
Anong tawag dyan, Duwin?
Saan?
Yung hawak mo?
This one?
Oo.
Yung ano lang niya, tripod. Or maliit na tripod. So we are going to the flower. Oh, I forgot. I was gonna wear flower shirt. Flower shirt, so I will blend to the flowers. See you there.
And I'll go.
Okay, we're only 3 minutes from here.
Naman napakalayo.
I was joking when I said flower fields. Okay, we're here already. I was joking. I didn't know we're here already. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I didn't know we were here. I thought we have 1 hour drive. Oh. We're all...
Sabi siguro, ayaw niyo yun? Ayaw ng malayong lugar na mga bulaklak ko sa loob.
Oh my gosh! Okay then, the flower fields. You can see our hotel. I mean our timeshare next door. I was thinking we're gonna be driving for a long time.
Yung sa ano namin, sa trabaho namin.
Okay, we're here. The flower fields. That's the entrance. Flower ticket. You go in. Look how big this is. Chris, what is the wagon thingy that they're talking about?
That's the thing that takes us around.
Oh, yeah.
To take us around.
What about it?
We can all ride it free. Normally it's $8 a person.
Ah, may bayad daw pala yun, pero dahil na may kasama kaming ganyan. See, sabi ko na sa'yo na eh. Dapat palagi na ano kayo kasama with the walker eh. Tapos nahihiyang mag-walker. Sabi pa raw niya, Bet, oh, when we kaya lang naku-walker ako. Ay, maganda nga yan, tay. Sabi ko, kung ako medyo matanda-tanda ako mag-walker.
So binigyan tayo nito, libre na.
Libre.
Wow!
Nakalibre tayo dahil ka sa walker ni nanay. Oh, imagine mo yun.
Ilagay mo yung date, Be, para hindi natin makalimutan.
Yeah. See? And I was embarrassed. They're embarrassed that she have walker. Now we got blessed because of her walker. This is the area to ride the thing. But let's take up, if you want to take a picture here first, because once that they take us there, this is where we're going to come out from anyway. Look how nice.
You want to take a picture?
Yeah, yeah. Take your camera out. Ready? Yung camera. Oh my God. Hoy! Ang ganda!
Tunay yun?
Oo! They just put it in the, jar with water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ganda.
It looks, no?
Bira
It
lang yung
doesn't
orange
look,
na ganyan, no?
It doesn't look real. But they're in the jar of water. Wow.
Ha? May kubeta?
Kumita?
Oh, out of order pa raw.
Wala yung arinola niya sa ilalim.
Order na eh. Out of order.
It's ano, ay ang baho, sabi mo. This is a toilet. A toilet, but it's out of order because the bedpan is not there. Ang cute naman niya, oh.
Ang ganda.
Parang nung unang
Yung
kita
mga
ko,
ibang,
yung ano eh.
yung mga ibang bulaklak, kung yung iba wala sa labas.
Sa malayo, akala ko ano eh, yung ano, siling labuyo. Ang ganda naman nito, oh. This one is so cute.
Yan yung ginagawang ano eh. Alam sa ate nga, aritos.
Ah, aritos? Oh wow, look at this one. Oh, Joy, oh. Tingnan mo, Joy. Oh. Parang ano, parang green beans. It looks like green beans.
Dito tayo, para tayo rin. Tayo win, dito tayo.
There, mag-picture-picture kayo dyan sa gitna kayo, oh. Chris, your bag is full of flowers! It looks like snow. Hold on. Let me be in the picture.
Ano, maganda yung ganyan? O kami ang nakaharap sa araw?
Ay!
Oh, nakikuha mo?
Uh-huh.
Ang liit!
There's a hummingbird. Where is it? Oh.
Ang cute-cute! Kinukuha niya yung mga pollen tapos i-transfer
Nectar.
niya.
Nectar. The nectar.
Ay, kinakain niya.
Sinisip-sip niya yung nectar.
Ang ganda kulay niya, green.
Chris! Look at the hummingbird! Chris, look at the hummingbird!
Talagang nandyan sila? Hindi yan nilagay?
Hindi.
Hindi, pumupunta sila rito pag ganyan maraming bulaklak.
Look how pretty this flower. They look like papers. O tayo, merong ice cream. Ay, gusto ko yun, oh, caramel sundae. Oy, gusto nyo mag-ano, restroom? May restroom.
Ha?
Gusto nyo umihi?
Doon tayo sa fountain, Win.
Aha.
Kasi nung pumunta tayo rito, Joy, ano na, May, palipas na.
Mapalipas na yung
Oo,
ano.
Kaya itong mga ibang ito,
Oo.
wala.
Paano nyo naalala na May?
Basta May, ang ano namin, ang field trip namin, May at saka December.
Ay, ang ganda dito, oh.
Ay, tingnan mo ito tuloy, oh. Buhanan tayo dyan. Kaiba eh.
That's the first time I see this one.
Kaya ayun, no?
Saan banda?
It was for
Joel.
Ponce, yeah.
Joel Ponce, the first US ambassador
English
to Mexico.
speaking. Usual nga pala.
Wow, I've never seen this kind. Lalo na ito, hindi ko siya alam, ano. Very first time ko nakita this one. Flaming spear. Yeah. We are going to ride the trolley.
Hello.
Yes.
Thank you.
Tay. Ay, dito po kayo, Tay.
Hello and welcome everyone. We're glad you came to the flower fields. Your safety is our top priority. Please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the wagon. Please make sure that you stay seated until the wagon comes to a complete stop as you are on a bumpy farm road. We hope that you have a wonderful ride while touring the flower fields. For over 60 years, Mother Nature has transformed the rolling hills of North San Diego County into one of the most spectacular and coordinated displays of natural color and beauty anywhere in the world. We are in bloom for approximately 10 weeks each year, from March through early May. The Flower Fields is a working farm we dedicated for 50 acres to growing ranunculus flowers for production of cut flowers, as well as the bulbs that they produce. The type of ranunculus grown on our farm is called the Tecolote, giant ranunculus. It is one of the finest strains of ranunculus
Ayun
plants.
may nag-harvest.
The ranunculus, also known as Persian buttercup,
May
is a sun-loving plant that
Para
produces
saan daw?
magnificent rose-like
Binibenta.
flowers, gorgeous both in the garden and when cut for bouquets. These
Kanila sa
prolific
kanila
bloomers
din.
respond with
Mayroon silang
enthusiasm
ano
and
doon,
pick,
store.
sending out even more blooms. The ranunculus flower grows in
Para siyang ano bet, no? Yung papel, no?
Alam mo,
Ah,
hindi
parang
totoo.
Japanese paper. Alam mo yung mga Japanese
yung
paper?
ginagawa lang.
Oo.
Yun sa orange tayo.
Pa-picture tayo dito. Oh, the buds! You're just getting the buds. Hindi siya nakakaintindi, Bet. Hindi siya nakakaintindi, ano. Oh, they're just picking the buds. Let me
That's
see.
for to sell to somebody. Tina-translate.
Yeah. Yeah. I think they just picking the buds. Yeah, see? No.
At there, then you will pay.
Yeah.
Mayroong ano.
Ahí en entrada al salir, la pueden comprar.
Oh, sa entrance ka daw pwedeng mag purchase.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay.
I know it. Thank you. Grazie, grazie.
Grazie. Muchas gracias.
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 Flores.
Yeah. Yeah. Hindi, wala. Karamihan dito hindi marunong. Ang ganda naman ito. Oh, meron akong parang ganyan. Ano, na kulay. Binili ni Chris. Oo, ibebenta. Ganda. Ilis, dito sa counter na ilis. Ganyan yung mga yan. So, the people are harvesting plant or flower so they can sell it. They can sell it.
Mexican sila.
Oo.
So yan, no, nakaharvest na tayo.
See?
Tapos
They
pagdating siguro
harvested
doon,
that one so they can sell it.
Kuha nila yung bulk na.
Yeah, kasi ano pa yan eh.
Bubukas
Yung
pa.
bubukas pa siya eh. Yeah, so
Bangladeshi mo ngayon.
hindi. Mexicano na. Mexicano. Look at how beautiful different colors. And there's a butterfly encounter. There you go, Suzette. Jerry would love on that side. Oh, what is this one here? What is that? Man, this place is huge. Yeah?
dyan na yung butterfly. May bayad din. Oo, may bayad.
What is this one? Gem mining. Oo.
Love and compassion in your heart. No, the pink one. And then sockeye, tiger's eye to protect you.
Oh, okay.
And then the soda lime is for brain power, and that's knowledge. Red jasper is for confidence and energy, and this is power and strength. It came from a volcano.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this was
Oh, Mike! Gem! Mike! Mike! Gem mining daw! Oh, baka makakuha ka ng gold! Look at this water pump! We have this when we were growing up! Yeah, you lift up that, see? Like that! Like that!
Daddy, ano mo nga ako, ha? Han, picture.
Ah,
sige.
yeah!
We have a prayer for. Yeah, we do like this.
Chris, we used to have this water pump when we were young.
Ako rin ha. Nandun kami nung
We have to pump the water. We have this pump when we were young, when we were younger. That's how we get our water from the well.
That's what we installed for the
Aitas.
that lived near Clark.
Yeah, that's
And
what
right
they.
there, we dug a well and we put water.
Yeah, that's the water pump.
Sa kanya na yung automatic na.
This one it's automatic.
Tayo pagkahirap-hirap na natin magbomba. Hirap na hirap ko. Tapos pag nawawalan ng tubig, lalagyan mo.
Oo, no?
Tingnan mo yan, meron yung ano natin, experience natin, nandito pa
Yun
lang.
nga eh. Alam pala nila yung pump, the water pump na yan, no? But for them,
Pagkaraniwan na lang yan.
For them, it's no need the person. Bet, for them, no need the person to pump it.
Yes.
Life is easier. It smells good.
It's our national flower.
It smells like sampaguita. Yeah, it smells just like it. Huh, look at that. Maybe I'll take this one.
Putulin mo yung isa para itanin.
We had a great time. Did you have fun? The flower place?
Yes.
Class, what did you learn today?
We learn and saw lots of pretty flowers, ma'am.
What is the
We
name?
got lots of pictures.
What is the name of that beautiful flower?
Ranunculus.
Ridiculous.
Ridiculous. Now it's lunchtime. Where are we going, class?
Stop sign. Turn left. Passe del Norte.
Lunchtime.
Hindi tayo, siyempre hindi natin alam. Ito, burritos.
Burritos?
Si.
That's burritos. And Nanay and Tatay will share the chimichanga.
Miguel's torta.
And I have chimichanga also.
Nasaan yung ating kutsara?
We are doing our tournament. Scrabble time.
The tournament began.
First word, noisy. Ikaw lang naman kumakain. Bakit nililit mo pa ito? Hindi ba sila kumakain eh?
Yung eating.
You eating. Yes, you can.
No, it's a jobless.
No, he's jobless. That's why he's so noisy.
Dito na yung ano, laban.
Ano to? Ay.
Huwag ka mag-over 30 ha.
Binabawalan ka na namin, ha? We warned you. Don't over 30.
Ganda naman ang score natin, 22, 23, 24.
35. Huwag ka nang tumira.
Ang labi siya, ipakita ko nga. They told me not to.
21 ka na lang ha, 21.
Our score is 22, 23, 24. They said, I'm only allowed to put 25. They said, don't put 30 or more. Because last night, I keep putting what? Ano yung pinakamataas ko last night? Which one is our...
Yeah.
This one?
It's 50,
Where is it?
50 ano.
No, this is the other... Oh, this. There. I was 209.
No, 52.
209. Oh, 52, my score.
Oh,
No. Yeah. No, 38.
No, 52 here.
Over there, 52. Oh, I'm the winner over there too?
No.
The winner here.
I'm the second.
And he's insisting that Mike is the second. Oh, over here also, I'm the winner. They said no need to be the winner today. No need for me to be the winner today. Okay, don't worry because I don't really have much. Much. I just missed one letter for Scrabble. I just missed one letter again for Scrabble. Foodies. Because I have this. Found this. It becomes foundies. Okay, I won't do 13. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 27.
Oh, ba?
See?
Naglaktaw
Only
ka?
27.
Dapat sa'yo 25 lang eh.
Hindi na maganda ito na ano na siya. Meron akong word dyan.
Ano si Jay? Before?
Marami akong kalam.
Ba't hindi mo sinulat dito?
Yung ano?
Before Jay. Before Jay.
What do you mean before J?
Before Jay doon.
Dito? Pag ganon?
Oo, hindi. Ano yung pwedeng maano sa J? Halimbawa, A, U.
Meron dyan. Yung two-letter word?
Oh, before J.
You mean the last letter is J?
Oo.
I won't tell you that dahil ano na yun? Hindi two-letter word yun.
Yan ba yun?
Merong mga ano dyan, merong mga merong mga three letter ang huli J. Ano na kasi yun eh, hindi na siya two-letter word yun. Ang sinulat ko lang mga two-letter word.
Kagalingan ng utak mo. Talagang dinidibdib ni Chris.
Papanalunin ko nga yung asawa ko. Kakaawa naman siya. Para makipaglaro sa akin pag-uwi namin. Ano ba? Hindi, kasi...
Hindi na makita ka mo. Lalo pag ganyan siya lang mag-isa doon.
That'll work.
Hindi kakakot
Gay?
tayo.
Gear.
No?
No.
Better here. Yeah.
Yun tama kasi wala siyang mapapatungan.
How about Geo?
Ha? Geo?
Geo.
Tignan mo yung Geo nga, Bet,
Geo.
kung
I know
meron.
Geo is a word.
Yeah,
But is Yeo a word?
What?
Yeo?
Yo? Yo?
Yo.
Yo!
Yo. Yo. That's a joke.
I never heard of that one.
No. Ayo.
I never heard of yo.
Look at that. Look
Ayo. What is it?
Ayo.
Oh, no, there's no ayo. Let's see the yo.
Ayo.
A-Y-E-O.
A. What?
A-Y-E-O.
A-Y-E-O. What does the name Ayo mean? It's a baby name. See, Ayo is not valid in Scrabble word. I'm gonna show it. It says that's the word he tried to make. It's so big. It says a big letters. Ayo is not a valid word for Scrabble. Don't play the word Ayo. It's anagrams, prefixes, and suffixes. 4, 5, 6, 12. Betty, ano mo? I-plus mo. Marami eh.
Hindi 12.
4, 5, 6, 12 plus 4, 5, 6, another 12.
24.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 7.
Wow. Congratulations. You must won the game. That is a stunning move.
Ilan yun, Ben?
It's a brilliant move. 31.
Rin makinig. Lagay mo na doon.
You see? It's not nice to you. And you keep giving him red before.
I can't guarantee I'm going to.
I want you also to become second.
Anong pinatungan ng K?
I will make you second.
5, 6,
Because
7, 10,
I was
20.
not taken the first.
64. Oh, bilis. Kuya Chris,
yeah.
you do it. Don't make Ate Win na get the red.
Oh, they're ganging up on me.
Wait!
There's no QE. It's QI. Ay, no. He's got something. Not pink. If you have S-E-Q, that's good.
Wow. Game over.
Yung tira niya.
Q-E-U.
Quit.
Yee, ito.
Quit.
Ano ba yan? Make sure you know what your letter you're giving him, ha? Chris, you have something to there. You have something to put there. Huh? What?
Pedicure.
Pero hindi ko alam kung ano. Kasi there's
It's a
people,
word.
yeah.
Mani-pedi.
Yeah. Abbreviation, but sometimes they try to use it.
Pedi means walk.
Pedicab.
Okay, so 3, 4, 6, 7 times
Indicating
2
the
is
foot.
21.
Tama.
Oo, yun nga.
Pedicure.
Pedi money. They wanted to beat me so bad, they're so madadaya. They don't want me to win anymore. I was trying. I was actually not trying my best.
Wow.
To give you chance. But, oh well.
That's what I was gonna put. But
Sabi ko, alam ko wala ng S.
Oo.
That's not S.
Races.
Ah.
Dalawa na yung nakuha kong S eh.
Your life is doomed.
You're done.
Anima ba
No, Chris, sayang! Ano sabi mo?
Ano bang bagare?
What's that?
Ano ba yan? Salita nila.
No, Chris is still higher than me. 3,
21.
4, 5, 6, 7, 21, 22, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29.
Asus.
Okay. That's great.
Last night, sabi nila, naglalaro kami. Ano yung, score ko, 1/3, 50 something. Sabi, umpisa pa lang yan ha. It's just the beginning of the game. And I put 51. They said, okay, let's go to sleep na. You sleeping? You sleeping? Unang tira. Kaumpisa pa lang namin. Inantok na sila. Matulog na tayo. Umpisa.
Ay. Opo na.
Bakit? Anong ni Chris? Anong score niya?
76.
See?
Ikaw 69.
See? You're higher than me.
Okay, take a picture. I want it to last forever.
Okay, I'll do the vlog. I'll show it on the vlog. There. Okay, Chris is higher. There.
Higher than who?
Than me.
Okay, I wanted you to say it. I'll be like 2 weeks from now. You say, I said higher than
Okay. If you beat me today, you promise me you're gonna play with me when we get back?
I was gonna say yes, but that's not a gift.
It's all done.
You got me that very nice Scrabble and you don't wanna play with me. Sabi niya tuloy, napasubo tuloy ako.
Bakit ayaw niya magpakipaglaro?
Hindi niya ako matalo-talo.
Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya. Who's the winner again?
Ano mo na to, no?
The winner. I always
Win is the winner.
I always finish the game.
He's the second.
That's so weird. Palagi ako yung
Kasi pangalan mo win. That's why you're the winner.
Look guys, Vicky, sabi mo, ipakita eh. Tilet, dapat nandito ka Tilet para ikaw manalo. Kalulo na kami. Burger na lang dinner namin. Burger na lang for dinner. We're kalulo now.
Thank you, Chris, for the
Ito
burger.
sa'yo. Andito yung isa sa'yo. Chris, that's your... That's the first time.
Okay,
Inanasi
latasin
burger
mo.
for dinner. Leftover.
Oo.
Nilaga and the chicken.
Baka kung sino pang gustong kumain ng
What else do we have?
Sino pang gustong kumain ng kanin?
Bakit si Chris ang daming biniling pa yung na apple, oh?
Hindi naman niya kinakain. Nakakatuwa lang siya.
What else do we have here? Oh, chicken. Okay, guys, don't be scared now.
We are now,
We're now going to the moon.
we're starting our math for the Mumu math.
We're doing our session. Foot mask. Then you put it to your feet.
Ayoko na pakita yung takot. Baka matakot sila.
Put it like this. Hala, what happened? Nabiyak.
Hindi ko pa nalinis.
It's okay. Okay lang. hindi naman na natin gagamitin itong next na.
Other one.
We're gonna do this for 30 minutes and now we're gonna play Scrabble again. Okay. The winner is Chris. Only because I teach him. And Beth is claiming it's too early. That's just the winner. That's the end of the game. Tournament again tomorrow. Good night, everyone.
Thank you for the winner.
Are you sure you earned that one?